Hello and welcome to Vasen Creative YouTube channel. It's February, the month of love and romance, and today I would like to show you how to make a Valentine's heart. I love you to pieces with our simple punch, puzzle punch piece and a flag punch. Whoop, knocking over the glue gun, and the heart punches. We're using simple materials, a metal ring, which we're going to cover with some ribbon, and the Vasen Creative Florence paper pack, which is a Valentine paper pack, and we have lots of lovely colours, pinks, reds and purples, ideal for making Valentine gifts. So to begin, a metal ring, 25 centimetres. We're going to cover this in some ribbon. Here's one I've already started this morning. We're going to start in the middle and cover the ring with 6mm ribbon. You can use any colour you want, white, red. Today I've chosen pink. So we're going to wind that all round, pulling that tight so that it's nice and tight round the ring. And we're going to continue all the way around. I'll just put a little bit of glue on here and then that'll stop it from coming off. Stay. There we go. Okay. So when we've finished all the way around, we have a ring which is all covered in pink ribbon. We're going to add a little piece of ribbon on the top so that we can hang it up. So we just tie a small knot in the ribbon. Just like that. Now, with the punch, the puzzle piece punch, we're going to punch out different colours of the puzzle pieces. And here, we'll just pop them out. So we're going to make various colours, and then we're going to apply these all to our heart. Once you've punched out all your pieces, puzzle pieces, all different colours, we're going to glue them onto the metal heart, which is covered in ribbon. For this we're going to use a glue gun, and we apply a small amount of glue in the middle. And then we place that on the ring, and then we're going to go all the way around until it's completely covered. So we're actually going to do both sides of the ring, and then it can be hung from both sides on the window or on a door. If you're going to hang it on a door or the wall, you would only need to cover one side. But today I'm going to do it on both sides, and then we've got a completely covered ring. These puzzle pieces are super. We also have our punches. The puzzle punch also comes in a small version. So then we're going to continue all the way around until you've got your heart completely covered with your puzzle pieces. And then we're going to make a text for in the middle. Obviously it's nice saying love you to pieces for Valentine's Day. If you wanted to personalise your own text, that's no problem whatsoever. This text here, love you to pieces, we've used the pre-cut machine to cut out our text here, but if you would like something more personal, you could also use a brush pen and do some hand lettering, love you to pieces, or I love you. So we're going to make one of these small banners to put in the middle. We're using the Vasen Creative flag punch. Now we're going to use the size 1.5 centimetres. So we're going to cut a strip it 1.5 centimetres. And then we're going to punch both sides with our flag punch. And then using the scoring tool in the trimmer, we have the blade, which we move up to the top, and the scoring tool we're going to use. Now, we're going to make 2 scoring lines, one there, and one there, and on the other side, we're going to do the same. And then we're going to fold the scoring lines for our banner. So there we have made a small banner for over our heart. As I say, you can use the Cricut machine to write a text, or you could use a hand lettering pen to write your own message of love. And we are going to look for the hand lettering pen, and we're going to write, I love you. But we do like this text, love you to pieces. It goes with the puzzle pieces. Now, don't forget, we also have heart punches. We have a set of heart punches, which can be used all year round, obviously, but they're extra special for Valentine's Day. We have a set of 3 heart punches, which are absolutely fantastic to add to any punch collection. And these are absolutely ideal for making confetti for Valentine's Day. Once you've punched out all your confetti, you can use it for various purposes. But today I'm going to give my cameraman Eric some love. So please try our Love You to Pieces heart, and let us see on our social media channels what you've made. We would love to see it. And happy Valentine's Day, everybody.